Good morning, Pirates. Happy Monday, and I hope you're ready to have a good week. I sure am. My name's Tyler McDersack, and I'm your SBO Spirit. I'd like to inform you all that we have the Welcoming Assembly and Club Rush this Friday, so make sure to pull up, and pull up to any of our other school events. Off to you, Sadie.
Thanks, Tylen. Hi, I'm Sadie. I'm your sophomore secretary. These are your Monday morning announcements, so teachers make sure to play them. And Sea Shanties has a quick announcement. They do want some more male voices, so if you're interested, go talk to them.
Sup, dudes and dudettes? We're Cypress Sea Shanties.
If you want to come join us, come talk to Mr. Rose in the choir room, where we bring home
Go!
Here's Autumn.
Thank you, Sadie. My name is Autumn Cedarland. I'm the SBO Vice President, and Thursdays we are going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing Trivia Thursdays, which you'll get more information on Thursday. And then Friday we do have a football game. It will be USA Out at Copper Hills. It will be at 7, so make sure you be there. And remember, Pirates,
Lift the